Okay guys, so today you're going to learn about list, right? So in order to understand lists, you need to understand there are two types of lists. First is ordered lists and another one is unordered lists. Ordered lists are actually the one that starts from one, go to in an ordered manner. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or Roman 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And in order to explain you this concept, I'm going to take a simple example where actually you have right, where actually you have these content around this. You have your head content, your HTML content, tag content. So let's start coding now. So we have an ordered list that is starting from 1, 2, 3. We don't know actually what is a type. We'll specify the type and play along the type. Now each content that you want to appear should be inside your list. So this is going to be your list, right? So what we're going to do is the different type of queries in MySQL. It's a tree, right? So you will have so you have insert, create, delete, update. Right now you can put your type by specifying your type. Let's say type A, and we say bullet. Okay, now you can actually access this content alone. Right, so it will be stored as A, B, C, D, etc. Right, so let's go for Google Chrome. Right, okay, so different type of queries in HTML. Now you can specify it as from let's say B. Maybe it's going to work. Okay, so normally when you don't specify any type, right, it will be taken as 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you specify it with type I, this will be specified as Roman, right? So this is about the ordered list. Now inside the ordered list you can have another unordered list, which I'm going to show you. So basically let's start with 1 here. Okay, just remove the type, and when you come actually here under update, you just do UL, which is an unordered list, which is a characteristic of the unordered list, and you start putting li, right? Li fields, right? So you're going to have these content around fields, primary key, foreign key, etc. Now you can specify the type here. Type is equal to let's say circle, right? So it's already circle. Let's say square. You have also round type, right? This is square. You also have round type. Okay, so li is stands for an li item. Now you can work this out using get up, turn off alarm, and go back to sleep. Right, so you're going to have this one ordered list, the respective li down. Right, now here we have already tried this one. Now what about having an href link here? Right, you can have an href link here, but make sure it is properly nested. Right, so let's say hash. Right, so if you open it in Google Chrome, you're going to give it as a link, but there's no link over there. Right, so this was quite simple. This is another example where inside you have an ordered list and inside it you have another one. Okay, so actually what is happening, you can have 1 1 1 here, just changing this to ordered list. Of course you can specify your type as Roman. Right, you're going to have it, or you can have for delete free. Doesn't mean that only here. You can have one as from here. Okay, then you're going to have it for bullet 2. That was actually very interesting. Let's continue. Right, so you can have modification of the different type of list. You can actually insert capitalize A. This will actually change it to capitalize format. You can specify small a, I, capital I for Roman numerals, 1 for standard numbers. Right, so this is another for unordered list. You can insert this. You can insert circle, you can insert square. Right, coming next will be one of the most important, not really important, we don't really use it in business world, but in IT world, so you use it, but very rarely I have seen website using frames. But we're going to take a closer look to maybe frames, and it's actually divided into 4 parts. So we're going to take a look into the concept of frames, and most probably, if possible, we're going to look at the server-side include, and I'm going to show you how to install exam to be able to do the server-side include. Right, okay, so to understand server-side include, first of all, you need to understand your frames first, then you will be able to apply SSI, because you will understand actually why we use frame. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.